You've been recognized with the 2024 Global Recognition Award, and this has been awarded to you for your remarkable contributions to healthcare, particularly during COVID-19, and in relation to advancing medical education and engaging with public health through the media. Can you tell us a bit about the efforts that you've undertaken over the past year?
I think it actually goes back a lot further to COVID when I started my YouTube channel and I started speaking out a little bit more about how healthcare is being impacted by current, let's say, political decisions or how doctors are responding. I always feel as doctors and healthcare professionals, our voices are not represented, particularly on certain issues like diversity, mental health. These are things I feel very passionately about. So for several years, I've been putting things together on my YouTube channel, writing for local newspapers, speaking nationally as well, particularly during the COVID time as well, more recently too. I'm often called to speak about things like recent reports. In the past year, I think I've spoken about recent obesity reports. There was a report on premature deaths, premature labour as well. Unfortunately, the state of the NHS is always a hot topic, and I'm often asked to speak about that. So I'm always just trying to put forward the other side. Hence, I run this YouTube channel called So Far Unsaid, and I just wanted to put this other side forward for people
Mm.
are not having. And it's kind of opened doors for me to be a medical journalist, to write in newspapers, and I've published some work as well as a textbook and another chapter actually I'm just releasing in another book that's coming soon.
That's fantastic. I think your work is definitely commendable, and particularly your efforts. You've been recognized with a number of interviews with some big platforms, BBC in particular as well. Work that you've done is invaluable to the medical field. So thank you very much for your efforts for that.
Well, look, I think it's something we all do, and there's 100 heroes sat all around us. It's not just me. I've got this award, and that's great. It's warming to be recognised for your efforts, but really and truly, every nurse is a hero, every doctor is a hero, every healthcare staff member is a hero because they're getting up at 6 a.m. to get on the tube, to get to work, to put in hours to help patients. It takes lots of different shades, whether that's they're writing articles, whether that's they're actually helping you get the care that you need. So I think we need a stronger affirmation of the NHS and the values that it represents.